Okay, now I'll show you how to create Instagram posts. So Canva is really great for doing it because it gives you templates so you can use. And the Instagram posts are in the right size, so you can upload them and they will display very, very nicely on your profile. So basically, go to templates. And here you can browse by category. You can see so many different categories like Facebook posts, Instagram stories, which are a little bit different size than Instagram posts, but also Instagram posts, Facebook covers, flyers, and so on. So plenty of designs. So click on Instagram posts. And here you've got inspiration, so kind of templates ready to use. You can change design, you can replace the images, or you can use this kind of the ready-made designs and simply change the text. So this is really easy to get started. Another way of doing it is design it from the start. So go back to home and simply browse template under create a design. So Instagram post, and it opens in a new window with a blank design which you can choose to customize. So you can again pick a design or simply try design it something custom. So let's say I will choose a template for the first post, and the second post I will design a custom image. So let's choose this template. I like it. You can choose the colors of the elements, you can choose the images, so you can see that it's very easy. You can choose the text, you can choose the font and so on. So it's really easy. So let's say I will want to choose the color of this element, and obviously it's semi-permanent, so I will change that. I'll change the color of this element as well, for example to orange. It's very nice orange. And obviously I will change this text as well. So instead of Sandra Merkel blog, I can put like my own details, because you can put your own details here. And I change it to custom blog name, custom URL, obviously, and perhaps I want to change the design, the image as well. So I'll delete it. And maybe I'll find some royalty-free images from Canva. So I'll click on Elements and search for something. Let's search for pineapple. And here we've got a good selection of pineapple elements, which we can upload instead. So really nice selection. I really like this one. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Beauty. Very nice. Let's move this element because it kind of goes over his teeth. Because it's semi-permanent teeth. Okay, it's pineapple time. It's really nice. Sometimes those images allow you to change the color of the element. So for example, let's change the color of his sunglasses, for example, to orange. And here you go. And if you like it, simply download it. And this is very easy. And I'll show you how to create a design from the start. So click add new page and I'll show you how to design it. So let's add a background. Let's add a nice blue background and let's find another element. So I searched for yoga. Let's add something related to yoga. For example, some kind of yoga exercise figure. Okay, how about this one? Now you have to take into consideration that some of the images are pro, so they're included with a pro package, and some of them are paid, but you will see an icon next to the paid ones. It will be like a dollar icon, so bear in mind that you will need to pay per image. I don't think there are any, so most of them are free, which is great. However, make sure to keep an eye on that. So okay, let's enlarge this image. Okay, it's really nice. And you can also choose a text to go with this image. Although I think it looks pretty good, I have to say, without any text. I'll just enlarge, but I'll also show you how to add a text. So I'll simply duplicate and let's say add text. So go to text and let's add a heading. So, okay, I added title, find heavenly comfort with our yoga pants, but obviously we want to optimize it further. So first of all, let's change font. So click on here on the font and let's find the font that will match us. Now, bear in mind that once you select a font for your website, I recommend sticking to the same font style across your whole brand, so across social media posts, to really have consistent style, to really build your branding from the beginning. You want to convey consistent brand. When you think about, sometimes you see Nivea advertising and you know right away that it's Nivea because you recognize their colors, their fonts, the type of models they're using. So you want to do it from the beginning the same way. So we haven't really picked up a set font for our brand, so I'll just use some kind of nice font for this particular post. Let's go with collective font. It's quite nice, and I'll want to change the color of the font to white. And I want to change the layout of the font so it's right. So it's no goes to the right. There we go. And let's reduce the field and make it stretched out. There we go. Okay, go to the top and let's make this image a little bit bigger. Okay, so it looks quite nice. Obviously, you can experiment a little bit more with that. Once you're ready, simply click download. You can download one or you can download all pages, obviously. So let's download all pages and click done and then download. And this is how you create your first Instagram post.